Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn how to become a car driving instructor. We will learn this by step. Number 1, check if you can become an instructor. Later on in this video, I'll show you how to do that. Step number 2, apply to become a driving instructor. This is where you will fill the form. Step 3, get a trainer. Step 4, take the theory test, ADI part 1. I'll explain you this, what is ADI and what is part 1. Step 5, take the driving ability test, which is known as ADI part 2. Number 6, get practice teaching. Step number 7, take the instructional ability test, ADI part 3. Number 8, register and start working as an instructor. So first, let's learn what you need to become a driving instructor. For this, just go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write, check if you can become a driving instructor. Click search. This will take you to this link. Check if you can become a driving instructor. Click next. The first question is, are you registered as a driving instructor in either Northern Ireland or Republic of Ireland? No. Next. How old are you? 21 or over, or 20 or under? So 21 and over, for example. Have you had a full driving license for at least 3 years? Yes. Have you been banned, disqualified from driving in the last 4 years? No. What type of car is your driving license for? So if you have manual, you will click this. If you have automatic, you will click that. So let's try with manual first. This will tell you that you can start applying to become an approved driving instructor. Now let's go back to step number 2. So step number 2, apply to become driving instructor. You need 2 things. Number 1, DBS check. If you don't know how to get DBS check, it's very easy. Go on gov.uk and you will search for get the DBS check and you will fill the form. Next one, start your application. Now how to land on this page? For this, just go on gov.uk. In the search section, write become a driving instructor. Click search. You will have 3 options. Become a driving instructor, step by step. Check if you can become a driving instructor. Number 3, apply to become a driving instructor. Click apply to become a driving instructor. This is where the form is. Click next. First question is, have you tried to qualify as an approved driving instructor? ADI, approved driving instructor, in Great Britain before. This is the first time I have tried. Number 2, I have tried before but didn't qualify. Number 3, third option is, I have been qualified as an ADI before. So this is the first time. Click next. Now you will land on this page where you will click start now and you will fill the form. Now let's go back to step by step page. The third step is get a training. So find driving training courses. It's very easy. You go on this page where you will write your postcode. Let's suppose you put your postcode in. Let's suppose SW1A2AA. Now you will got the list. So this is how you will find your driving instructor. It's very easy. Next one is take the theory test, ADI part 1. Number 1, revise and practice for your test. I have put these questions in the description. So there's a link. Just click that link and you can start these revised questions. Number 2, what you need for your test. Number 4 is book your test. And number 3 is find a theory test center. So it will cost you £81. If you wanted to do the same like your driving license, you have to do the theory and you have to pay the fees. So this one is £81. Once you have passed the theory test, you must pass the other test of the test within 2 years, or you will have to start the whole process again. So you have 2 years. Within 2 years, you have to do part 2 and part 3. Now take the driving ability test. It's very easy. It will cost you £111 and you can book your test using this link. Number 6, get practice teaching. If you have passed ADI part 2, which is this one, you have the option to apply for a 6 months trainee license to get experience teaching students. This will cost you £140. Apply for trainee license for instructor. Step number 7, take the instructional ability test, ADI part 3. This will cost you £111. All this is very easy. If you click, for example, if I wanted to book ADI part 3, click on this link. This will give you book a test online and you will click start now. So the page gov.uk will tell you everything. There is no rocket science. It's not difficult. If you wanted to do this, you can do that very easily. The first step is you get the theory test done. The step 2 is basically once you have done that, you take the driving ability test, which is step 2. For this purpose, we call that ADI part 2. And number 3 is the instructional ability test, ADI part 3. Once you have done this, then register and start working as an instructor. Once you have passed the test, you must register within 12 months. If you don't register, that means everything will be wasted. Register for your first ADI certificate. This will cost you £300. So some people do ask me that how much this process will cost. So if we do the maths, 300, 111 plus 140 plus 111 plus £81. This is basically for the test which you have to pay. Plus, if you wanted to do practice with someone, then you have to pay per hour to that person as well. Some people charge between 1400 to 1800 pounds, provide you the training. Further, it says register for your ADI certificate will cost you 300. When you have a certificate, you can start charging for lessons. You can either join a driving school or set up your own business. You will have at least one standard check every 4 years. You also need to renew your registration and get a new DBS check every 4 years. So after every 4 years, you need to get the DBS check done. This is one of the important things. Now, if you wanted to start as your own business and you don't know how to set up a company, watch this video in which I have showed how to start a company. And if you don't know how to do accounts, then I've showed in this video how to use free agent. And you can do all the accounts yourself. I've created playlists as well on my channel in which I've showed how you can do all these things yourself. It's very easy. It's not difficult. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, put that in comment section and I'll get back to you.